PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning is a trusted commercial air conditioning contractor in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, providing professional cooling solutions for businesses of all sizes. Our experienced technicians specialize in commercial AC installation, replacement, maintenance, and repair services designed to keep your facility comfortable and energy efficient. We work with offices, retail stores, warehouses, and other commercial properties, delivering customized solutions that meet your specific cooling requirements. Our focus on quality workmanship, reliable equipment, and prompt service helps minimize downtime and maximize performance. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable commercial air conditioning services that support productivity, comfort, and long-term system efficiency. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a commercial air conditioning contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What types of commercial air conditioning systems are available? Common options include rooftop units, split systems, packaged HVAC systems, and ductless mini-split systems. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania helps business owners choose the most effective commercial cooling solution based on building size, occupancy, and operational demands. How often should commercial air conditioning systems be serviced? Commercial air conditioning systems should be serviced at least twice a year to maintain efficiency and reliability. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania offers preventative maintenance programs that help reduce breakdowns, improve performance, and extend the lifespan of commercial cooling equipment. What is your service office for commercial air conditioning contractor Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local commercial air conditioning contractor Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/.